Have you ever wondered how life on Earth began? Let's journey back over 4 billion years to a time when our planet was a fiery, inhospitable place. The air was thick with gases, the land was barren, and the seas were a bubbling cauldron of chemicals. In this seemingly unlivable environment, something incredible happened. Through a series of chemical reactions, simple organic molecules began to form. This is the essence of the primordial soup theory, which suggests that life arose from a rich broth of complex molecules, simmering in Earth's early oceans. Picture it: the heat from the sun, lightning, and Earth's own internal furnace provided the energy necessary to transform a mixture of water, ammonia, methane, and hydrogen into amino acids, the building blocks of proteins and life itself. In these harsh conditions, the first sparks of life began to flicker. From primordial soup to modern humans, the journey of evolution is a testament to the power of life to adapt, evolve, and thrive in an ever-changing world. From these humble beginnings, the first life forms emerged. Picture a world teeming with potential, where the right ingredients and conditions collided in a dance of cosmic proportions. Amidst the swirling, churning waters, simple organic molecules began to assemble. This was not a swift process, but a gradual one, stretched over countless millennia. These molecules formed the foundation of the first simple cells, the precursors to all life as we know it. As time marched on, these cells evolved. Becoming more complex and diverse, they developed ways to harness energy from their surroundings, to reproduce and to respond to their environment, the very characteristics that define life. This was the dawn of biological evolution, a process of change and adaptation that would shape the course of life on Earth for billions of years. These simple organisms were the ancestors of all life on Earth. Little did they know, they were embarking on a journey of astounding complexity and diversity. Fast forward a few billion years to the Cambrian period, our planet is now teeming with life, but the stage is set for a phenomenon like no other. Enter the Cambrian explosion, a burst of evolutionary creativity that would forever shape life on Earth. The Cambrian explosion, occurring approximately 540 million years ago, is a pivotal chapter in our planet's history. This relatively short period, spanning around 25 million years, witnessed an unprecedented surge in biological diversity. It's as if life itself had suddenly been handed a blank canvas and an array of vibrant paints. Before this period, life on Earth was primarily composed of simple, single-celled organisms, but the Cambrian explosion was a game-changer. It was during this time that most of the major groups of animals we know today first appeared in the fossil record. This includes everything from the ancestors of starfish and sea urchins to the early relatives of insects and vertebrates. But why did this explosion of life happen? Scientists believe that a combination of factors may have contributed. Changes in the environment, such as an increase in oxygen levels, and the evolution of key biological features like the ability to see, may have sparked this rapid diversification. The Cambrian explosion was not just about the emergence of new species, it was also about the development of new body plans and complex structures. Organisms started to develop hard shells and exoskeletons. Eyes, legs, and antennae began to emerge. Life, it seemed, had discovered the benefits of complexity. Yet, despite its profound impact, the Cambrian explosion remains one of the most intriguing mysteries of evolutionary biology. How exactly it happened, and why it happened so quickly, are questions that continue to captivate scientists. This period of rapid evolution set the stage for the diversity of life we see today. From the depths of the oceans to the heights of the mountains, from the tiniest insect to the largest whale, we owe much of the richness and variety of life on Earth to this extraordinary burst of evolutionary innovation. After the dinosaurs' reign ended, a new group of animals began to dominate the Earth. In the wake of the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs some 65 million years ago, mammals seized the opportunity and began to flourish. It was a turning point in the history of life on Earth, marking the start of the Cenozoic era, often called the Age of Mammals. Mammals had been around for quite some time before this, but they were mostly small, nocturnal creatures that scuttled in the shadows of the dinosaur giants. However, with the dinosaurs gone, mammals were no longer confined to the background. They began to diversify and adapt to fill the niches left vacant by the dinosaurs. This period of rapid evolution saw mammals evolve into a wide variety of forms. Some took to the water, evolving into the majestic whales and dolphins we know today. Others grew large and lumbering, like the mammoths and mastodons. And yet others became swift and agile, like the deer and antelope. But it wasn't just about size and speed. Mammals also began to develop complex social structures and behaviors. They became more intelligent, more adaptable. This was true for a wide range of mammals, but there was one group in particular that started to stand out. Among these mammals, a group known as primates began to exhibit some interesting characteristics. Primates, including monkeys, apes, and eventually humans, were set apart by their large brains relative to body size, their grasping hands, and their excellent vision. These adaptations would set the stage for the next chapter in the story of evolution, a chapter that would ultimately lead to us, Homo sapiens. Among the primates, a lineage that would eventually lead to us, humans, began to emerge. This lineage, known as hominids, diverged from other primates around 7 million years ago. The hominids, unlike their primate cousins, began to walk on two legs, a trait known as bipedalism. This was a significant evolutionary milestone, setting the stage for the emergence of our species. The shift to bipedalism opened up a world of possibilities. Freed hands allowed for the use and creation of tools, a crucial factor in the survival of these early hominids. Walking upright also meant a higher vantage point, giving these early hominids an advantage in spotting potential predators and food sources. As the hominids continued to evolve, another significant change occurred: the expansion of the brain. Around 2 million years ago, a group of hominids known as the Homo lineage emerged. These hominids had larger brains than their predecessors, allowing for more complex thought processes and problem-solving skills. Among them was Homo habilis, aptly named handyman for their tool-making abilities. Then around 1.5 million years ago, Homo erectus emerged. They were the first of our ancestors to have human-like proportions and were likely the first to control fire, a development that had profound implications for diet, protection, and social structure. Finally, roughly 200,000 years ago, our own species, Homo sapiens, made its debut. We were characterized by even larger brains and a capacity for symbolic thought, which led to the development of language, art, and culture. These hominids were the precursors to modern humans. Their journey, marked by a series of evolutionary adaptations, from bipedalism to increased brain size, set the stage for the emergence of us, Homo sapiens. Their story is a testament to the power of evolution, demonstrating how life can adapt and thrive in an ever-changing world. Finally, around 200,000 years ago, a new species emerged on the African savanna. This was Homo sapiens, our own species, a new chapter in the grand narrative of life on Earth. The birth of Homo sapiens marked a significant leap in the evolution of hominids. Unlike their predecessors, Homo sapiens possessed a unique blend of physical and cognitive traits that set them apart. Homo sapiens were not just physically adept, with bodies built for endurance and hands capable of crafting intricate tools. They were also equipped with an extraordinary cognitive toolkit. Their brains, larger and more complex than those of their predecessors, were capable of abstract thought, language, and the creation of symbolic culture. This cognitive revolution gave rise to art, religion, and complex social structures, distinguishing Homo sapiens from other hominids. The emergence of Homo sapiens was not only a story of physical and mental evolution, but also a tale of migration and adaptation. From their cradle in Africa, Homo sapiens began to spread out, reaching every corner of the globe. They ventured into diverse terrains, from the frozen tundra of the Arctic to the arid deserts of Australia, adapting to a variety of climates and ecosystems. Along the way, they encountered other hominids like the Neanderthals and the Denisovans, interbreeding and sharing cultures. Despite the challenges and obstacles, Homo sapiens thrived and prospered, outliving other hominids. They harnessed the power of fire, invented the wheel, built civilizations, and eventually set foot on the moon. Through their ingenuity and resilience, Homo sapiens have carved out a niche for themselves, not only as survivors, but as explorers and innovators. This is us, Homo sapiens, a product of billions of years of evolution. We are the latest chapter in the grand story of life on Earth, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. We carry the legacy of all life that came before us, and it is in understanding this legacy that we can appreciate our place in the cosmos and our responsibility towards the future of life on Earth. From the primordial soup to modern humans, the journey of life on Earth is a testament to the power of evolution. This captivating journey, spanning billions of years, has seen life transform from simple molecules to intricate, complex organisms. Evolution, the architect of life, has painted an intricate masterpiece filled with fascinating chapters of adaptation, survival, and diversification. It's given rise to the staggering variety of life we see today, from the tiniest microorganisms to the mightiest beasts, and to us, Homo sapiens. Each species, a unique piece of the puzzle, contributing to the stunning mosaic of life. And within us, we carry the echoes of our ancestral past, a testament to our evolutionary journey. As we look to the future, we carry with us the legacy of all life that came before us, a testament to the incredible journey of evolution.